I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. We combine 40 years of industry experience with modern tech to keep your business moving.
Watch this video to learn how to customize your chart of accounts in Xero. First, click Accounting. You can access the chart of accounts using the Accounting Settings option, which takes you to the Settings page. Or, to save time, choose Chart of Accounts under Accounting Tools. The chart of accounts is how you'll categorize all your business transactions, such as money coming in and money going out. Click What's this? For more information on the chart of accounts in Xero and links to Xero Central support articles. Click Add Bank Account to set up any bank accounts you haven't yet added to Xero. Use the Print PDF button to print your chart of accounts. Click Import if you need to import a chart of accounts from your previous accounting system or want to import your own chart. If you want to add new or edit multiple accounts, click Export to edit the file and re-import the chart of accounts into Xero to save time. Edit Report Code Mappings allows you to map account codes for report templates and other Xero partner-only products. Account types in Xero are arranged in 5 categories: assets, liabilities, equity, expenses, and revenue. In the All Accounts tab, you'll see a list of existing accounts which was selected when your Xero organization was first purchased. Click a tab, like Revenue, to view all your accounts with that category type. Each account has a numeric code, name, account type, and default tax rate. You can customize this information to fit your business needs. For example, instead of a generic sales account, we want a name that better reflects the type of income we generate. To update this, click the Name field and enter a better title, such as Photoshoot Income. Click Save to confirm your changes. If you need to add a brand new account that doesn't yet exist, click the Add Account button. You'll see the same fields you saw when editing an account. First, select the account type. This determines where the account appears on financial reports. Use the helpful guide on the right to determine how your account type will affect your reports. In this example, we'll choose Expenses, as we want a new code for business costs. Next, enter a unique code to help organize and sort your accounts. We'll add 480. Give the account a clear name that describes its purpose. Let's call this Staff Training. The description field is optional, but provides context, especially for other users. For example, external courses and training costs. Choose the appropriate tax rate. Xero automatically assigns a default, but make sure it's correct for transactions you'll categorize to this account. Once you've entered all the details, click Save. Back in the All tab, you'll see the new account in your chart of accounts. If you no longer need an account, you can archive it. Archiving an account removes it from your chart of accounts, but retains the historical data. You can't archive locked or system accounts, To archive an account, select the checkbox next to the code, then click Archive. Click OK to confirm you'd like to archive the account. View archived accounts by selecting the Archive tab. You can reinstate the account if you need it again. Select the checkbox, then click Restore. Back on the All tab. You can delete an account to permanently remove it from your chart of accounts, as long as it's not a locked or system account, or you haven't used it for a transaction. To delete an account, select the checkbox next to the code, then click Delete. Click OK to confirm your action. Finally, if you need to update the default tax rate for multiple chart of account codes at once, select the checkboxes. Then click the Change Tax Rate button. Select a tax rate from the drop-down and click Save to confirm your changes. Now you're ready to customize your chart of accounts, so you can categorize your business transactions in Xero.